We are playing Don't Press the Button. My sis got the basket. Look, sis. Oh, I'll show you the basket. Look at the money. Drop some money. Oops, my bad, y'all. Y'all see my little percentage.
For a trivia question, guys.
Yes, it's time. It starts 2. Good. It don't start with 2. It's 2 letters.
Can you finish the news? Yes.
I know how to do it. Let me try this way real quick. If I get it wrong, y'all let me know in the comments. Please do. Because I don't know what to do. Dead end, dead end.
So I already completed. If y'all guys heard it.
Girl. Dead end again. Let's see where I'm at. I wish we could zoom out.
Found it. Found this.
Okay, y'all hear my sister in the background. She found it. Oh, I found it too.
For me, I think you just glitched.
Excuse me? Drop some money and let me twerk on you. Twerk, twerk, twerk.
PG for the kids.
Okay, I'm sorry. Sorry, y'all. I got to carry away.
So, 1 point for us.
Oh. Hey, hold up. Now you got it too?
Don't everybody do?
No, I just bought this. Hold on, look. I just recently bought. Look.
Stay there, so you got moving anywhere.
Come with me.
Oh. We got too carried away.
Bro, I thought everybody had it. I'm like, dang, now it's not a. I knew it gonna go back down.
Man, it instance for 20. That would look like one person. Right. Chill.
I didn't do that. Was the packet, dude.
I mean it. Quit it. What is wrong with you?
He truly grabbed me.
Get back over here before you get caught.
We far away from the killer. I think. I don't know who that person looked like. Oh, I found him. I think.
I'm not leaving because you tripping.
Move away from me. God, dog. So tortured.
So they won. No slapping people. On the galaxy. On the galaxy. You still slapping people on the
Touch
galaxy?
the moon. Touch the moon. I didn't know you had it. Why you tell me that? Like, we just keep doing this then.
Into the round.
Put it up.
Okay. Sorry, I mean.
Thord. Just that. Stop it! Try to get me killed. Thank you.
Oh,
Oh! Oh! Damn!
oh, Sam, PG.
Ah! Alright, pause it. AK, I'm sorry, y'all. It's not for kids no more. It's for teenagers now.
Come back here.
I'm gonna edit some days out. Alright, so y'all, bye.